The term disruptive innovation is used for referring to a particular product or service at a specific time instead of talking about the entire evolution process of the product or service, is considered to be inappropriate. The term innovation is being used by a large number of companies in varied contexts. However, there have also been disagreements regarding what constitutes disruptive innovation. Some of the people use the word disruptive technology for the technology only, while applying the word disruptive innovation to the use of that technology. Clayton M. Christensen proposed the disruptive innovation theory, which was published in the Harvard Business Review for the first time in the year 1995. According to him, disruption takes place when the small-scale businesses challenge the already established large-scale businesses by inventing products and services that would be found appealing by the niche part of the market. Different types of trends were observed in different parts of the world regarding the disruptive innovation of different technology. Over the years, several changes have been made in various fields of technology with the invention of disruptive innovation. There are many fields where disruptive innovation has taken place and has brought about changes, both positive and negative, in a business setting and in the lives of people who might have been involved with it in some way or the other. However, before carrying on with the process of disruption, it is important for one to understand that the nature of result is unambiguous.